Hi everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the things we love to collect in our home. Handbags, jewelry, knives, pens, you name it. Today we're going to be talking about a brand that maybe some of you know, maybe some of you don't. It's a brand that we love in our household. It's actually known for their boots. We are talking all things Lucchese and a particular item that we just picked up this week. So grab yourself something to drink and let's get into it. Lucchese is a brand that is known for their boots. They are the ones that make the Dallas Cowboy cheerleader boots. They make the SMU Mustang boots as well, so the cheerleaders in Texas. I believe that they're Texas-based. There are stores around the country you can get custom boots made, but they also do belts, they do clothes, they do bags, they do all sorts of things. And my husband and I both have boots from Lucchese. I have two pairs of cowboy boots. I have the Josephine, which I'll show a picture of here. I have the Saltillo, and I also have another pair of white dressier boots. And my husband has three pairs of boots as well. He has a fourth on the way. They will be here tomorrow, which is really exciting. Lucchese does an event in Napa every year when Live in the Vineyard, the concert series, comes in town. They do a pop-up at the hotel in town, at the Westin in town, and I heard about it because we purchased from Lucchese. So last year we went, and it was a cool thing, and then I got a text that they happened again, so we went in this week. My husband found a pair of boots that he ordered. I wound up getting myself a jean skirt and a belt, which I love. And then we found a garment bag, which is what I'm talking about today. Lucchese is Lucchese. They make amazing things. And so today we are talking about the garment bag we purchased. So
Why did you buy it?
What?
Why did you buy it?
Why do we buy it? Ooh, we bought the garment bag so that we can travel with our clothes. Why? It's black cherry. So it's leather, it's black cherry, and also, you know, we're going to New York next month, and we are going to a Michelin star restaurant, La Bernardin, and we need to wear, my husband needs to wear a coat, and so we wanted something that would protect the coat, and this is going to serve that purpose. When we went to my nephew's wedding in August of last year, we had to travel with our suit, and we didn't really have a nice garment bag. It was something that we put into just what we got from the store and folded it into a suitcase. So this is actually something that we don't have in our collection, and I'm really excited for. So here is the beauty unzipped. So as you can see, on the bottom, there are feet, which I love because it protects the leather. And this bag comes in brown, but it also comes in black cherry. And fun fact is, my husband's favorite color is black cherry. So this is perfect for us. And it looks like a Louis Vuitton keep-all when you zip it up. So if you've seen like the Goyard Boston or the Louis Vuitton keep-all, it has that duffel shape. It comes with a strap. So there's a leather strap, which I'm gonna open. Is that okay? There are also handles. There's a luggage tag. So here is the luggage tag. You can see the color. We'll put our information in here. It smells amazing. I love the smell of leather, and you can see the fixture, the buckle has like it's not gold, but like a brassy look. There is the padding on the strap. That's awesome. I traveled with the Louis Vuitton keep-all in shadow gray empreinte leather to Atlanta, and it doesn't have feet on the bottom, so I wanted to put it on my shoulder the whole time, and it can get really heavy. And so having this support straps, if you wanted to wear it across your body or on your shoulder, that helps you. And there is an option to adjust how long you want the strap to be. It smells so good. Here are the handles, which are rolled, has that same color hardware. On the front of the bag, it says Lucchese, and they were established in 1883. So it says 1883 bootmaker. You can see that right here. Thank you. I'm gonna open it up. These parts are the sides of the bag, and as you can see, there are pockets, so you can put, I don't know, toiletries here, shoes here, socks, whatever you want on the sides. Knives, if you wanted. There is the circle where you put the hangers that come with the bag. Look at this. And the hanger folds. Love it. Just so cool. I'll open these hangers up. Comes with 2 hangers. Obviously, you could use other hangers if you want to, but I love that this hardware matches. Very neat. And it rotates down if you want to. Substantial. And it's not just like thin wire, so if you have to drape your pants over or something, that works perfectly. So these hangers go through right here underneath, obviously. Give these. Dun, da, da, da. So it extends quite a ways down. You can see made in Italy, so the leather comes from Italy. Interesting. And here you unzip. Could have done the standing up, but I think it's better this way. There is a strap on the inside. So on the opposite part of here is where the bottom is, where the feet are. And so this strap holds your clothes down, and then you have the suspenders to kind of keep things to lay flat. So you can put your clothes in here and then make sure that they're secured and zip them up. Very well made. All of the hardware is the same. The stitching is very nice. And it's not stiff, which I love. It's very pliable. It feels very soft. It's very comfortable. And so what you're gonna do then is zip up the bag around this. Now, fun fact, after we purchased this item, my husband got notifications, was it on Instagram, about other garment bags. So you can buy garment bags for, you know, $100 in vinyl, not vinyl, but synthetic materials. This was not $100. This was $1,000. Huh? Ask for the price. Yeah. For pricing, hit me up in the comments. Zipping around the bottom, doing one side at a time. I just cannot get over. I love the smell. I love the smell of leather. And it is so supple. The stitching on the black cherry uses a red thread. Wow. You see, it's kind of falling into itself just because it doesn't have that, it's not stiff. And I just think that's great. On the sides here where you see the hardware, this is where you're going to put the strap to carry it. Zip it in the middle, zip it on the sides, zip it wherever you want. And there you have it. So we did not know when we were looking at this bag in the store at the pop-up, I didn't know it was a garment bag because of the way that you look at it, it looks just like a duffel. Then upon closer inspection, we realized it was a garment bag and had to have it. Very excited. Pop it open. You just need to get in there if you want to grab a few things. There's tons of room. We have the keep all that we have is a 50. So I feel like this is the same size as that, but the purpose of having the actual garment on the inside, I think it's spectacular. I'm super excited. So if you check the link below to check out Lucchese and their website, their cowboy boots are incredible, very comfortable. The belt that I have, the belt that he has, they make exotics. There's ostrich, there's large alligator is the pair that he's getting, that my husband's getting, snake, so many things. Amazing. And then they have regular leather as well. But great company, great products. And this is called the Cosimo calf skin garment duffel. Check it out. Thanks for watching.